These drones should be used only for sonic bathing. They're meant to be played as loud as your system will allow, or as quiet as you want. Only quality headphones should be used. A subwoofer must be in play. Do not attempt without a subwoofer. If the sound makes you feel good, then it's music. If it doesn't, that's noise. Drone on, drone on.